Harmful algal bloom prevention and protection. At the end of this video, you'll know how to take actions to lessen the effects of harmful algal blooms and protect yourself and your pets from harmful algal blooms. Harmful algal blooms occur when naturally occurring algae found in the water overgrow or bloom, releasing toxins into the water. Blooms are a natural process, although they have increased in frequency and intensity due to human actions. Agriculture, sewage treatment, and other processes that use chemicals result in excess nutrients in our waterways. These nutrients feed algae, leading to blooms. As a citizen, you may feel helpless to do anything about this process, but you can play a role in lessening the effects of harmful algal blooms. You can help by making small changes around the household that minimize the amount of nutrients going into our water system. Use only the recommended number of fertilizers on your yard and garden. This will reduce the amount of nutrients running off into nearby water bodies. Keep your septic system well maintained to keep wastewater from leaking and seeping into nearby bodies of water. Wastewater is full of nutrients that can feed algae. You can also take actions to protect yourself and your pets from the effects of harmful algal blooms. For example, you can avoid areas where there are harmful blooms. You cannot tell if a bloom is harmful just by looking at it, so it is recommended that you check local and state swimming and fishing advisories before visiting lakes, rivers, and oceans. Follow advisories to reduce your chances of getting sick. If you see signs of a bloom, stay out of the water and keep your pets out of the water. Do not fish, swim, boat, or play water sports in areas where a bloom is occurring. Do not go into or play in water that smells bad, looks discolored, has foam, scum, algal mats, or paint-like streaks on the surface, or has dead fish or other animals washed up on its shore or beach. Similarly, do not let animals get in the water, drink the water, lick or eat algae, eat or graze near the water, eat dead fish or other animals on the shore, or go on the beach or shoreline. If your pets go in the water that may have a bloom, rinse them immediately with tap water. Rinse yourself as well. Tap water may also be affected by bloom toxins. If you have concerns about your tap water based on appearance, smell, or taste, use bottled water for drinking and cooking. Contact your water utility or health department for further information and guidance. Don't boil water contaminated with toxins. Boiling water does not remove toxins and can concentrate the toxin. Finally, remain alert to advisories related to eating contaminated fish and shellfish. You cannot tell if seafood is safe just by looking at it, smelling it, or tasting it. If you think you have symptoms caused by harmful algal blooms, contact your healthcare provider and poison control center for help. Similarly, if your animal has been exposed, call your veterinarian and an animal poison control center. Report any illnesses to your local or state health department so they can track the data and manage response to the bloom. In summary, you can play a role in harmful algal bloom prevention by limiting your use of fertilizers and maintaining your septic system. You can protect yourself and your pets by avoiding areas where blooms have occurred and following local advisories related to swimming, fishing, tap water, and seafood safety.